And they do still have H2O soaps in here. They have H2O TV in the mirror. Washer dryer. Here's the living room. We have the fridge, the kitchen, stove, freezer, dishwasher, this big table. And here's all the trundle bed. There's another bed there. And they do have, in this room, they do have the new Hey Disney. It just echoes. And this is all you can do with it. Can't wait to hopefully try this out. There it is. And here's the reason why we wanted to do this for my birthday. This little jacuzzi pool thingy. Love it. And there's our view. Then we have a table out there. Then we have a forced thing toaster. These swinging chairs, and we're right by the boat dock, so you can either take the boat or the monorail. But the boat is right there. There's the Grand Floridian. There's Magic Kingdom. There's Space Mountain.